it's crazy. It's a huge show.
We've shut the whole business down today, and everybody's out here taking a field trip.
Oh, this is huge. Yeah, a lot of stuff. I love seeing the new products that are coming out next year, the new equipment that's going to come on the market next year. It's great. We get a first-hand look at what's new and up and coming.
Yeah, I love the hands-on part of it. You know, it's a lot. There's anything out there to try.
The demo area, the hardscape competition, all of it. It's just, I can't get over it, honestly. It's like overwhelming.
Educational and fun, and you get a lot of knowledge from the tools and stuff that's here. So you get to learn about new tools, new inventions that come out to make your job and your guys' jobs on the crews easy.
Oh, we love seeing all the products that H&A provides. It's great to be here.
Something for everybody, for sure.
Yeah, I'm going to come back every year from this point forward, for sure.